Samuel Jones here, fresh off of work from my other job. Yes, I drive trucks, but goodies. Can you take a guess what this is? And just got a few things to open up. Let's open them up. Okay, so let's start with the goggles. Can finally throw those Emax transporters to the back burner. You know, got the DJIs on deck. And I got a few mods to go with it. Shall we see what it's looking like? Okay. Antennas, very important. Look at that. Hella fucking paper. Sorry, excuse my language. Another antenna. TBS Fusion module. Okay, let's get it, boys and girls. So, you're asking, if you're wondering what this is and why these extra antennas. This is the analog mod. So I can switch between analog and digital. That's what this is. Very excited to have it. Gonna put it together real quick. See what's good. Got the faceplate adapter from DJI, British Drone Industries. It's the Digiadapter. Comes with the cable adapters needed to plug the module in. I think it goes into the power, the AV out. I don't know. Don't ask me. I'm new to this. So here she is. Pretty light. Boards on each side. Connectors go in here. And they screw in through these little holes, and they will, this comes off and this will attach right on the front. Just like that. So I already started this and that and that and these to run to that. And that's it. A little toggle here to set your band and your channels. Tuck that away on there. And I'm gonna pop this cap on. Let me get a few things out the way. Oh, sorry, folks. All right, so right now I'm just trying to set this, the faceplate for the module itself, and just trying to be careful as possible to break anything. Very carefully. There we go. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is take the faceplate off, the original faceplate off of the DJI goggles. And this does not void the warranty. So I guess put them all to the side. These come with extended screws, so we will be using those. That though, it's gonna go on the front like so. One over here. I like to set the screws in by hand first. And we're gonna do one over here. Go. I'm just gonna snuggle. I'm not gonna put it on real tight. As long as it holds and it's not loose. You don't want to strip these holes in here on these goggles. That would be a bad day for yourself. So don't hawk them down. Just make them snug. Snug it real lightly. Okay. Route it, just, you know, look at how I wanted to route it and stuff like that. So everything's connected. This is the main power plug. This we'll plug into this. We'll plug into this. These power as well. So I'm let's see exactly how I want. I'm just gonna like try to have it be like right there. Let's see exactly how I want it. I guess that makes sense. We'll do it like this. Gonna zip tie this to this bracket right here for the head strap. Seems pretty sturdy, so why not? Get this freaking thing in here. Come on, you gotta feed it through. There we go. All right, so just gonna zip tie this first. So that's kind of, you know, I might try to maybe clean this up a little bit better. Add another zip tie or something down here. All right, so a little bit later, if I feel, change it up a little bit later, if I feel the need to. Just gonna put in all the antennas right now. Usually it shouldn't be a problem with receivers, but this set of goggles also, it receives and it also transmits. So just to be safe, I'm gonna put in all of the antennas. So I got one true RC X-Air 5.8 gigahertz. I guess this would be a directional antenna. Guys, correct me if I'm wrong. And then I have the Luminaire Oxy 2 long range lollipop style right here. So I'm gonna get those on real quick. And I wouldn't suggest hawking these on either. Just get them down to where they're snug, and don't want to over tighten these antennas. Like on these, you can actually thread these out or something. If you tighten it too tight, they start threading them out on the other side. Oh, here we go. I was gonna say, should be, I know I got the 90 degree. Okay, so they make it to where it just this fits. All right, so it's gonna be like that, and then let's see how we can get this to work. Okay, so get this to the side a little bit. I feel you want to be real careful with the antennas. Better safe than sorry. You feel me? Okay, so I don't personally recommend doing this, but I'm gonna do it. You do this at your own discretion. You didn't get this from me, but I'm just going to tighten these. Real like real gently. Real gently. That's all you need right there. So I'm going to this is the original OEM DJI cord that powers the goggles. This will be plugged into said here like this, and then the battery will be plugged in here. Battery's charging right now, so that's why it's not here. But I'm just getting everything else set up. I'm gonna get Betaflight set up. I'm going to break out the Max Tiny Hawk Freestyle 2, and I'm gonna plug it up first to see if it picks it up and what channel it's on, and then I'm gonna plug this in the Betaflight and see if it's necessary for me to change the channels on the band. Most likely I will, so we will see. Okay, I did something unintentional. I didn't set a channel or a band. Maybe I did. I thought I did, it didn't work. So I thought it didn't work, but then I ended up going into the goggles. I went into the settings of these goggles and went into AVN. And it picked up the video transmission from here. I have no idea. If you guys know, please let me know in the comments. I don't know how it happened. Cause somebody please explain. I went to settings, went to AVN, pressed AVN, and I got visual through the Tiny Hawk. I did not set any bands. I didn't set any power or any channels. Can somebody explain? Because I'm lost. I mean, it works. I'm gonna go test it. I will be doing, obviously now I got this going, I will be, showing you guys footage through what I'm seeing. But yeah, I don't know. If somebody can answer that, that would be greatly appreciated, because I have no idea what happened. All right, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Next video will be a flight through this, making sure everything does work the way I think it does. I hope it does. Like I said, thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, please, and catch you next time.